Hello everyone, my name is Chirapom Manirat. Today I speaking the topic about my favorite food in the world. My favorite food is khao yam. It's a famous southern Thai dish. I like khao yam because it's easy to eat and good for my health. The ingredients for khao yam are rice, roasted fish, roasted grated coconut, voodoo sauce, and fresh vegetable. It's easy to make. First prepare all the ingredients. Next put the rice into a bowl. Then add the voodoo sauce, roasted fish, roasted grated coconut, and fresh vegetable. Finally mix everything together. Now it's ready to eat. Khao yam tastes fresh and delicious. It's a little salty, a little sweet, and a little sour. I really enjoy eating khao yam because it's healthy and very tasty. Thank you for listening.